A very warm welcome to all our viewers to this official channel of Maths Marathon. This video will be very important for us because in this video we will be discussing about how to fill OMR sheet in both school and state level competitions. So, this is a sample for OMR sheet that is provided to every student during their examinations. Also, I'm attaching this sheet in the details section so you can download and practice to use this OMR sheet. First of all, we will check that which students are going to use this OMR sheet. First standard and second standard students don't need to use the OMR sheet. They will directly mark their answer on the question paper itself. Rest students from 3rd standard to 9th standard need to mark their answer on OMR sheet that would be provided during the examination. No students will start filling OMR sheet without the instructions of supervisor. Both students and the invigilator have to keep this point in mind. This OMR sheet has computerized-based checking, and any mistake while marking the answer can lead to deduction of the marks, as the answer would be considered as invalid. So please pay attention and listen to the instructions in this video to avoid these mistakes. Before we get to the process of filling the OMR sheet, there are some instructions. We will go to the instructions step by step. First instruction is that you do not have to fold or crush your OMR sheet, so handle it properly. Use only dark pencils or blue-black pen. Do not scribble so hard that the paper gets torn. Use only pencil or blue or black pen to fill the circles. You can see some wrong methods of circling. So you do not have to use this method. You can see the correct methods over here. You have to completely fill the circle and do not spill out or leave any blank space. Cutting and erasing on the sheet is not allowed. Like I said, if you use your pencil hardly on the paper, it may get cut, or while erasing also may get torn. So avoid these things during your exam. Do not use any stray marks on the sheet. So other than the circling, there should be no other marks on the answer sheet. Do not use marker or white fluid to hide the shading already done. Use of marker would not be useful in this case, as the answer would get rejected. Before we start with the details of OMR sheet, I would like you all to be in this video till the end, as there are some more important instructions for the student. So, stay tuned. So let's start with the details in the OMR sheet. To start with the student's name and school name, student have to write the full student's name in the student's name column and school name in the school's name column. Similarly, in the standard column, write the class which the student is appearing the exam for. So, on completion, it should look like this. Now we need to select standard or class for student. Like in our example, the student is from 6th standard, so we fill circle 6 below in the standard option. Below the standard, you can find roll number column. Roll number will be provided by us, so please don't write your school's roll number. For school level exam, students will get their roll number from the attendance sheet provided by the supervisor. Whereas for state level, other than attendance sheet, students are also provided with the whole ticket containing roll number. Just write the roll number in the roll number boxes, and then you have to circle the numbers, which are vertically parallel to those boxes. For example, if your number is 10,552, then in the first row, you will circle 1. In the second row, you will circle 0. In the third, 5. Similarly, in the fourth circle, again 5, and in the fifth circle 2. If you're not sure, then please ask supervisor to assist you. Mistake in roll number can lead to disqualification from exam. Here you have completed your personal details, so now you can start solving your papers. Don't worry, you will be given extra 10 minutes before paper to fill these details. Exam is of 5 sections. Each section contains 20 questions, which makes total of 100 questions. Students need to read the questions from the question paper provided and check the answers in the options provided below questions and mark the answer in the OMR sheet in the front of the following question. For example, if the answer for question 1 is option B, the students need to circle B in front of questions 1 in OMR Sheet. Similarly, for example, answer of second question is option A, then students should circle option A for question 2 in OMR Sheet. Likewise, students need to solve till question 100 to solve the questions. On successful completion of paper, the OMR Sheet should look like this. We have finished with detailing or filling of OMR Sheet. Now, as I said in the video, there are some important instructions. There are total 100 questions and 60 minutes to solve the questions. There is no negative marking, so try to solve all questions. Students needs to check their name in attendance sheet or hall ticket. This name will be printed on your certificate, so please let the supervisor know if there is any correction in your name. Students have to submit both question paper and answer papers. As the exam is conducted on different date, on different location, students need to submit their question paper as well with the answer paper. Put your answer paper inside the question paper and submit. So this was all about the examination. State-level dates are decided for various locations and will be updated soon to the school. Likewise, dates will also be declared on this YouTube channel. So stay tuned and subscribe this channel for update on Maths Marathon exam. Keep learning.